Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the protocol registration so the OS actually knows how to open Roblox player links. Open Registry Editor or Settings and locate the Roblox player protocol entry. You need read access to confirm the command string. Once done, make sure no Roblox processes are running, otherwise changes may not apply. If the protocol is missing or points to a bad path, that explains why clicking Roblox links does nothing. You proceed now to repair or recreate the. You next repair the mapping by editing the protocol command. First, export the key so you can restore it if needed, then update the command to the exact Roblox launcher. Exe path inside quotes, followed by the proper parameters the launcher expects. This ensures the OS passes the URL intact. Once changed, save and close the editor, then run a quick test with a Roblox protocol URL. If Windows blocked edits, elevate to Administrator and repeat the operation immediately. You finish by testing the fixed protocol link and confirming the launcher opens the game page. If it still fails, run the Roblox installer and choose Repair to restore missing files and registration automatically. Once repaired, clear browser cache and test again. Modern browsers sometimes cache failed protocol attempts. If problems persist, check antivirus or group policy that may block custom URI schemes, disable or whitelist temporarily. One key tip: always restore your registry backup if unexpected behavior appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.